Model, 70-plate Citroen Dispatch Expert 1.5 BlueHDi 100 Manual XS 1000 Enterprise Bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 154,458. MOT, the 20th of December 2024. Engine, 1499 cc BlueHDi 100 DV5RD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox is perfect. This will need the dual-mass flywheel, clutch replacing as it is vibrating and rattling. It still starts and drives okay, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, air con, electric windows, 2 keys, twin side loading doors, very nice spec, cool. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.